Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. We have updated our eFiler desktop application. Because of this, you will now need to install the newest version of the eFiler to your desktop. This video is intended to walk you through the process. Please note, this video is meant for clients who have the e-filing optional module. Before we download the update, we actually want to go to our desktop and delete the previous version. From the Start menu, simply type Uninstall, and Windows will recommend the Add or Remove Programs area. Click on it. You're now in the area to uninstall. We will scroll down and locate Cerenade ECMS eFiler. When highlighting the application, you will see the Uninstall button. Proceed to click on it and click Uninstall on the pop-up box from the application. You have now successfully uninstalled the older version. Let us now log into the Caseworker portal. From here, go to the e-filing button located on the home page. You are now at the area to download the e-filer. There are some prerequisites in order to successfully use the e-filer. Be sure your desktop meets these requirements. If you are unsure, we can always revisit this area to download those updates. Let us proceed to download the latest version of the e-filer. Once finished downloading, you will locate it in your downloads. Proceed to run the installation. Once installed, click on the desktop application and the e-filer will open. If your system meets the requirements as mentioned previously on this video, you should be taken to an area letting you log in using your credentials, starting with your website name. If your software doesn't meet the requirements, a pop-up will appear letting you know. There are two options to update. The first is you can proceed to click on the link to update here. Once inside the area to download, locate Run Desktop Apps and click on Download x86. Your computer should start downloading. The second option is we can go back to our Caseworker portal, specifically the e-filing section. We will find a link to download the exact update. Click it and it should start downloading. If when clicked it does not download, simply right-click and select Save As, saving the download to your computer. Due to browser settings, you may need to grant permissions to download. Proceed to allow the file to be downloaded. If this option is not working, try the first option mentioned previously. Additionally, we have included the update link on the notes section here. You can always click on the link and download from here. Now that it's downloaded to your computer, we will run the installation. The last thing we'll want to do is go back to our Caseworker portal and download the Form Filler program. The Form Filler is a program that runs simultaneously with our e-filer. Some of you might already have this filler installed, as it also works with our forms using Internet Explorer. However, if you don't, you will follow these steps. To download, go to your user preferences. From the form settings, uncheck the HTML form only checkbox, and a link will appear to download the Form Filler. Proceed to click on the link to download. Once downloaded, install the filler. Now that we have updated the e-filer, updated the .NET framework, and downloaded the form filler, you are now ready to log in and use the e-filer. Proceed to open your e-filing desktop application if it is not open. You will be brought to a login page. Enter your website name. This can be found in the e-filing section in the Caseworker portal. Once you enter your website name, you will then be prompted to enter your Caseworker portal login credentials. Once entered, you are now successfully logged in and can now proceed to e-file your scheduled forms to their respective sites. For more questions or comments, you may contact our support team at ecmssupport@cerenade.com or call us at 1-800-617-4202. This concludes our video on updating the e-filing application. Hit the subscribe button to be notified when new videos come out, and give us a like to let us know you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.